Skagway, Alaska. Shrimp pot.
The shrimp going there.
Mark's hooked up.
Yes.
I just got one.
Some halibut and chips.
I see ya.
Welcome back to another episode of the Yukon Boys. Today we are headed to Skagway, Alaska.
Right now we are in Fraser, BC, between Whitehorse and Alaska.
Welcome to Skagway, Alaska. Let's check it out. Shrimp pot, some shrimp bait. Shall we do some shrimping?
We shall.
We shall do it.
Let's do some shrimping. Hoi.
I almost fell,
You're
but
good?
I'm okay.
Shrimping, Skagway, Alaska, July 14th. There are cruise ships everywhere, full-on tourism season. Well,
Go to the very end.
okay, we got one there, one there. Want to go right here?
Yeah, sure, right
We'll do it
there.
right here. All right. So this thing opens up like that. Has these two little locks there that are going to go on either side. But before we do that, we have to bait this trap.
Bait the box.
Last year, we got a bunch of salmon and a bunch of them were females. So we pulled out a bunch of eggs and I have some uncured eggs there and some cured eggs here. And these are gonna be for fishing a little later on. These dried out ones we're gonna use for our shrimp pot.
Here we go.
Basket. Put a chunk in there.
I think that's probably
Yeah, that's probably good. We'll leave it like that. I think the shrimp will like some salmon eggs. Sometimes we use like tuna, like cans of tuna.
Or cat food.
We have done before a mix of oatmeal, cat food, and tuna in a big paste. And sometimes it's worked, sometimes it's not. This is actually the first time we're using salmon eggs. These just, ooh, they're stiff. They lock down like that. This is a weight just to help it sink. And where's our rope, Mark?
Here.
Here it is.
So the shrimp go in there and they swim up and then they get caught on the bottom net.
That's right.
So you can only catch the big ones. The little ones should fall through the...
Yeah, that's true. All right, so we got to unravel our rope here. All right, now we pull this through, unravel this. So as is the case, sometimes it always gets a little knotted up. So I like to open it up and make sure I have a nice flat coil. Now I've made sure that there's no knots in the line and everything's just kind of laid out there. I have this little fastener here. We're gonna put this here.
That's so genius.
So genius. So there it is. We fasten our little buoy. Now if you're putting a shrimp pot out there, this would float in the top to tell you whose it is. This is my name and number. Since we're fishing from the pier, we just tie it to this railing. Other people are doing the same. As you can see, they're all shrimping here. Okay, so now Mark's gonna hold that up on the pier and I'll hold the slack. So just slowly put it off first. Can you hold it? We want it to drop even. We don't want it to kind of start rolling or get caught up in the rope. So I'll hold here. So on the count of 3, we're gonna let go of the rope, okay?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
It's sinking.
Yep. Now we check that it's on the bottom. It's actually still dropping. See this, Mark? How it's still dropping right here in my hand? Oh, I think it might have reached the bottom. Looks like that's the bottom. So now we have some slack. We can bring that over here. And we're just gonna coil up our slack.
In a figure 8.
Kind of just a loop. Coil that up. And then I like to just
Pull it.
put it through there, hang it, and we're good.
Nice.
We're gonna hang out in Skagway, we're gonna do some fishing. After we're done all that, we'll come back, and before we go home, we'll pull this shrimp pot, and hopefully this cooler's got some shrimp in to go home. Mom would
Hopefully
be,
it's full.
hopefully it's full. I mean, that would be a lot of shrimp. We're gonna head over to Pullen Pond and hopefully catch some Dolly Varden char. See you there. All right, Mark's hooked up. Yeah.
Is that a keeper?
I think so. I think so. Nice one, Mark. Yeah, Dolly Varden. Whoop, whoop.
Yes.
Nice Dolly, dude. Woo. Yeah, there's a Dolly Varden char. See all those pretty pink spots? Pan-sized Dolly. Buddy, that's what we're looking for.
I can eat
You
it.
want to hold this? Yeah, we can eat it. Yeah, I got one. He's not big, but he's on there. Maybe another Dolly.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, lost him.
That was sad.
You got one? Yes? No? Oh yeah, you have one. Yeah, there's one there. Mark's hooked up again. There it is. Another Dolly.
Yes.
Woo-woo. Good job, bud.
We only caught
Woo.
2 fish and I caught both of them.
You caught both of them. Another pan-sized Dolly Varden.
Keeper?
It's just a keeper. It's pretty fat though, so I'm happy about that. Yeah,
Oh, I feel something big in there.
maybe he's been eating lots of our bait.
Maybe some minnows in there.
Maybe some minnows, who knows? Let me see. Okay, I got it going.
Where should I do it? There's a lot of minnows over there.
Okay. I'll put the GoPro in. Luke hooked up.
I just got one.
The smallest fish. He's a little salmon fry. Let's hopefully we can help him live.
Okay, so Luke caught and gave me 2 little minnows.
Salmon fry.
Salmon fry / minnows.
Salmon minnows.
Salmon minnows. And they're cool. And yeah, and our 2 fish.
What do you got? Butterfly? A moth.
A moth.
What's his name?
Jeff.
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 Jeffrey the moth.
No, just Jeff.
Just Jeff.
Just
Good old Jeff. One of the boys' favorite things about Skagway is the epic playground that they have for tag and slides and all the rest. So we'll check it out. That's where we're headed now.
This is the park, and I am going to show you my favorite parts of it. So first, my favorite, well, obviously the swings. Swings are always fun. Second, this. And it's really fun. And then third, probably the splitted slides. The splitted slides. And that's all.
All right, we're here at the Alaska Fish Co. for some fish and chips. And Luke is a huge fan of Coke. And they have bottled Coke here. Hello. Supposedly it's from Mexico and it's made with cane sugar instead of corn syrup here. So Luke could have ordered...
I could have ordered unlimited Pepsi.
Unlimited Pepsi.
Or a bottle of Coke.
Or this bottle of Coke. Real Coke. That shows you how much Luke loves Coke. Actually, we went to the World of Coke in Atlanta, Georgia. And you can click up there and you can go see that video. It was a good time. We have a video of that. It's right up there above your head right now. All right, we'll see how these fish and chips taste. What do you got, bud? You got some shrimp basket? And I got some halibut and chips. Boom. Luke is having a Wagyu burger. Is that how you pronounce it?
Wagyu. Yeah.
Wagyu. And why is Wagyu so special? I think it's because it has the highest fat content. It's like the most expensive beef, right?
Yes, yes.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. And that's in a burger.
Yes.
Look at that.
And it's good.
Beauty. What are we gonna do now?
Get some shrimp. Yeah.
Yep.
And it's
Shall
gonna
we?
be tasty.
Yes, we shall. So first, we're gonna guess how many. Mark, how many do you think?
8 plus a crab.
Do you think
Okay.
it's 8 shrimp, 1 crab? I think 5 shrimp, no crab.
All right.
Unclip that. We're taking, wait.
So you can clip that one back on this rope so we don't lose it. So go ahead.
Okay, that's good. Now we go.
Start pulling.
It's actually heavier than I thought it would be.
Heave-ho! Heave-ho! I don't see it yet. Do you see it, Mark?
Nothing.
Oh my goodness. Oh.
I see it.
Oh wow, that got...
Oh wait, I think we have one giant shrimp and that is it. One giant shrimp.
Oh my goodness. Oh.
What? Just one mondo. Look at the size of them.
Oh my goodness.
Just one big one.
All right, so we're gonna unclip these. Okay, we don't want them to jump away, so we're gonna put them right in here.
Here, Mark, want to bring the cooler a little closer?
Oh,
we got him.
We got him. Look at this. Like
a pan-sized shrimp.
That's insane.
Just one giant
A
shrimp.
singular one. There's no more in here.
There's no more gone?
No, it's definitely not all gone. There's
That's all right.
lots of
You can
stuff.
just dump it over the side.
We're gonna go this way.
Don't lose the bucket. Oh.
Oh, we're gonna screw that back on. We close that up, then we go backwards, right?
There it is.
Yep.
Here, you hold this. Okay.
And let's go.
We're good.
We're good. singular shrimp. That's as big as our 2 fish.
I can't believe we got one. That's so crazy.
But I think that's the biggest shrimp we've ever got.
Definitely.
Put those in the back, Luke.
Yep.
Ready to see the shrimp?
Yeah.
One giant shrimp.
Oh, it is giant, all right.
Thanks for coming with us to Skagway. It was a good time. Mark caught a couple fish. Luke and I got skunked, but that's okay. If you get a chance, comment, like, share, subscribe, and
Hit the bell.
hit the bell. We'll see you next time. Thank you.